Stupid King.
Typical male, Sirocco is clearly only interested in one thing.
And what's that?
Oh, look at that.
Ow. God, he's got sharp claws.
This man is getting molested by a bird.
He's getting a bit frisky.
Ow. Ow.
Do you think it is he's actually attempting a sort of mating ritual? He is.
You in his territory.
No.
You are being shagged.
Or not. Ow. God, it's sharp.
Look, he's so happy.
Sorry, but this is one of the funniest things I've ever seen. You are being shagged by a rare parrot. He thinks you are.
Ow.
No, he know exactly who he is. A man in his territory. He's stamping his dominance.
Really going for it.